Hi guys, and welcome back. It's me, Briana Marie, and today we are doing this bombshell curl cut in baby hair. So if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. First things first, what you want to do when it comes to curly hair is you want to make sure you don't have these curls tangled. So what my mom is doing is she's taking a rectangle comb and she's trying to make the top part as flat as possible. We want to do a middle part, and so she just took her hot comb and she went through that part after making the middle part to make it even flatter. Now you can put a scarf on this and wait for 15 to 20 minutes after you press combed it, but she just press combed it and that made it a lot flatter than it actually was. And now she's taking some mist to give luxury to the curls. And after she does this, what she's going to do is she's going to start cutting the hair and face framing it. You can use a razor or you can use scissors if you want to, but she's going to use scissors and not a razor. She's going to just do this all over the head until she likes her face framed outcome. And then after that, what she's going to do is start on the baby hairs. So I'll meet you to the part when the baby hairs get started. Is very important because all curly weaves and bundles and frontals, I'm going to say frontals, don't have baby hairs. So you have to actually make your own baby hair. Sometimes it just comes curly and curly all over. So if you want to achieve that, all you have to do is probably take a line, a thin line, and flat iron the part that you want to be your baby hair, and then what you're going to do is you're going to razor it. So my mom took a eyebrow razor and she razored the baby hairs. And to get these swirls, what you're going to do is everybody asks this when she puts the swirls in my hair. What kind of gel does she use? She uses even edge control, y'all. You can get this at your local beauty supply, and she also uses that somebody in the comment section below a long time ago had said this is some hood rat gel that they use down there in her city. It's called Pro Style Gel, and it's a brown gel. So she mixed those two together because sometimes those edge controls can be a little bit white. So she just put that on top to control that whiteness. And she just takes her ragtail comb and she just swirls the baby hair. I know it's hard, but you can swirl it, but take your finger and go with it so that it can lay down. I don't know if you see what she's doing right now, but that's exactly what she's doing. Taking that ragtail comb, swirling it, and as she goes with the ragtail comb, she's putting her finger on the hair, the baby hair, so that they can lay down. So I hope that helps. Try this and let me know how it comes out. And then for extra hold, she put spritz on it so that those baby hairs will not move nowhere, honey. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to go check out my mama's Instagram, her Facebook. Everything will be in the description right below. Also, don't forget to go check out UNice Hair down in the description right below, because I love this curly hair. I'm thinking about getting some more so that I can actually sew this in my head, or just use this one to rock. Anyways, I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't worry, a makeup tutorial is coming soon, because I know y'all probably like, girl, where's this makeup tutorial? It's coming. So I'll see you guys in the next one.